Master the magic of adverb placement in English sentences. Hello, language learners. Today, we're going to dive deep into a crucial aspect of English grammar, adverb placement in sentences. Yes, the little words that modify and add flavor to your sentences, adverbs. By the end of this video, you'll understand how the position of an adverb can change the whole meaning of a sentence. Let's start with a quick recap. Adverbs are words that modify verbs, adjectives, and other adverbs. They can provide information about how, when, where, how often, and to what degree something happens. Examples include quickly, never, well, almost, and really. Remember, we often form adverbs by adding "ly" to an adjective. For example, quick becomes quickly. There are three main positions of adverbs in English sentences: front, mid, and end. 1. Front position. The adverb is placed at the beginning of the sentence. This is common with adverbs of frequency, place, and time. For example, sometimes, I read books. 2. Mid position. The adverb is placed in the middle of the sentence. This is common with adverbs of certainty, degree, and frequency. For example, she has always loved animals. 3. End position. The adverb is placed at the end of the sentence. This is common with adverbs of manner, place, and time. For example, he talks loudly. Now, let's see how the placement of an adverb can change the meaning of a sentence. For example, consider the sentence, I only have 3 apples. The adverb only is emphasizing that you have 3 apples and nothing more. However, if you say, I have only 3 apples, the emphasis shifts to the quantity, indicating that 3 apples may not be enough. It's easy to make mistakes with adverb placement, but we can avoid them with practice. For example, don't place an adverb between a verb and its object. So, it's incorrect to say, I speak fluently English. The correct sentence is, I speak English fluently. Congratulations! You've reached the end of our journey through adverb placement. Remember that practice makes perfect, so try using adverbs in different positions in your sentences. Soon, it will become second nature. We hope this video helped clarify adverb placement in English sentences. Keep practicing and you'll be a master of adverbs in no time. That's all for today. Thank you for joining us in this learning journey and keep up the good work.